Okay, we have the name here. So but we want our design to be different from the previous one, so we'll change the font here. You see, Canva has a lot of beautiful fonts, but some you see the one with crown, all these ones that have crown. Let's see. Yeah, they're here. The ones with the black crown at the side, like this one, that's a black crown. The black crown signifies a subscribed Canva Pro, but if you don't have subscription, the crown will be gold. It's showing gray color, or is it black, because I subscribed. So let's change. Let's see this. Aprila. Go Magnolia Scripts. No, Chewy. I think I'll go with this, Chewy. Let's increase it a bit. Yeah, and then shift. As you can see, I'm using this to shift it, to shift any element. You use this this cross or the plus sign that is here. It signifies navigation key. You use it, the one the arrow is pointing. If you want to rotate it, use the other one. If you want to rotate it, use this one. Yeah, this one. So let's shift it again. Okay, if you observe the purple grid line, yes, the vertical one is showing that my text is aligned with the happy birthday. So let's go. Should make this shape here to be black. Yep. You see, they already have a text here, a sample of birthday wish. We can leave it like this. We can add our own. Your day will be filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable moments. May your life be fulfilled to the fullest. So we've added our own. Remember, you are using a template, but that doesn't mean you copy everything. You add yours too, so that it will be different. Change some things. The font is okay, but we can choose to change it. Let's give it let's use Oswald. Yes, we'll go with Oswald. Yeah. This one we change it from purple to white. Let's give it white. Yeah. And then we just write September. You cannot see anything because it's white. The text is white, so we change the text color to black. You can see color here. Yeah, let's make it bold. Yeah, September 12th. From loved ones. Let's make it format here. It's in formats that you either make it bold, you can either make it bold, italics, underline, strike through, or all caps. But then we'll not make it bold. Instead, we'll make it align. There's also align. You make it left align, center align, right align, justify, and so on, but let's make it center align. And then we'll reduce our text box. We change the font. Let's change the fonts. Let's give it the happy birthday font. Feeling passionate. No? Aha. Now we have our flyer. Okay. You know, we can make this balloon. Balloons are selected. Yes, saturation. See? Or rather, let's use temperature. Yeah, let's leave it like this. So at least there's a blend. You can zoom with your two fingers. You just put your two fingers and drag open to zoom, drag close it to zoom out. You open it to zoom in. That's how we do. Okay, let's add one element here. To add elements, you see elements here. Here is where you add your elements. Now I want to add a birthday cake, so we'll go to element and search cake. Whatever you're looking for is in Canva, either picture, vector, graphics, and so on. Now I just search cake. You see I have multiple, most of them have pro, but the pro, like I said, when it's showing gray, this gray color, it means I have subscribed. But if I don't have subscription, it will be showing gold. The color will be gold. So let's choose from any. I think what we need here is a vector. Yes, it's a vector. My design is somehow colorless. But I like it like this. I don't like too much colors in my design, so I think it's still pretty, right? Okay. All right. Okay. Now we have our design ready. But I think let's add one thing here. Now, this style. This is where you add a stroke or a border line. I want us to add a border line and give it a color. Let's change the color to white. Let's give it white. Did you see what happened there? Let's increase the border width. Yeah, as you can see what was happening. Yeah, so we have it there. Gloria Anthony. Good. I think our design is beautiful, right? Good. So now our design, as far as I'm concerned, is ready. It's just simple. When you're done with your design, you just click here. You see, I'm still downloading. That's why it's moving. See this arrow that is pointing down. But then if you want more options, my download is ready. Now I can share it to WhatsApp, share it to Facebook, or just share it to Instagram directly from here. But I'm not ready to share it now. Like I said, if you want more options, you click on the arrow pointing up. This is where you see download, share link, invites, you can collaborate, and so on. So our design is ready. Thank you so much